stitch is right and you just roll the 1. You're going to grab your new color and you are going to go into the back loop only on the first one. Make sure this is already on there. If you are carrying the same color, just be able to chain 1 right where you are. So if you're joining new yarn, join it to the back loop only. So if you're new to crochet, there's always 2 strands that make up a stitch. It's the back one is the one you want to play. Make sure the right side is facing up, which I can see that with my stitch marker that I did in the starting video. So I'm going to pull through and you'll see 2 loops onto the hook, yarn over and pull through. That's a standing single crochet. Just go over top of the straggler and continue to single crochet on the back loop only all the way across. Okay, and after you just cover over a little bit, just pull it to the back, and when you're ready, you'll use a tapestry needle and weave that in. So single crochet all the way across for row number 1. I came right to the end, turn our work, and let's do row number 2. Row number 2, we're going to start the houndstooth stitch, and we're going to just chain 1, and you're just going to use the regular stitch work now, and you'll single crochet the first one, and then the combination to go all the way across will be as follows. The next one will be a double crochet, and then the next one will be a single crochet, and you're just going to alternate between those stitches all the way through. So the next one is a double crochet, and then the next one is a single, and I'll see you close to the other side in a moment, so just put me on pause. So I'm coming all the way across and just doing that combination. The last stitch is going to be a single crochet. My tip for you is that if the first stitch is single crochet, the last stitch is a single crochet. And then we turn our work and go for row number 3. And you see texture just started, and this is the right side of the project, so the texture is on the right side of the project, the good side. Let's start with row number 3. Row number 3 is opposite to what we just did. So we finished off with the single crochet, so we need a double crochet to sit on top of that. So the chain 3 will count as a double crochet. The next one is a double crochet, but we want a single crochet to sit on top of that. So the next one has to be a single. Okay, see how the stitches look different? So this is a single crochet, so it has to be a double crochet. So the combination to go all the way across is that the next one is a single crochet and the next one is a double. So if the starting of this row started with a double, the last one will be a double as well. So continue the combination all the way across for row number 3. Ending of row number 3, it's a double crochet, just like you see. So we're going to turn our work and we'll talk about what you need to do for the remaining of this, and then I'll see you on the last. Rows number 4, 5, 6, and 7, a total of 4 rows, is the repeating of a second and a third row. So you'll do row number 2, then 3, then 2, and 3, and then that will take you to the end of number 7. The last row, number 8, is going to get us to be stable, more stable than your host. Just chain up 1 and just single crochet across all the way. Nice and simple. So recommend just roll the dice again for your color, because you may have to continue this color, and if it's not, you'll fasten off and just continue to go. So decide to do that, and I'll see you on the next stitch combination in just a moment.